Hey guys, today let's talk about the recent Malayalam film Kane Kane, which is streaming on Sony Live. This is a thriller with an element of mystery. It is directed by Manu Ashokan and written by Bobby and Sanjay. Director Manu Ashokan has worked as an associate for several films like Hangover, Veta, Traffic, Vimanam, etc. And he's directed another very sensitive film called Uyare. The film revolves around three main characters of Paul, played by Suraj Vinjaramudu, Alan, played by Tovino Thomas, and Sneha by Aishwarya Lakshmi. The writers of this film have done a wonderful job as it is a very different kind of writing. It slips into flashbacks on and off, but the editing pattern of Abhilash Balachandar is so good that it cuts beautifully between the present and the past without confusing us too much. Like for example, this person is like this now. How was he a few years back? That is how it is shown in the film. The story is about hurt and the grief it brings, of revenge, of forgiveness, and finally redemption. It deals with the complex human emotions which don't fall into a typical category or a typical pattern of good and bad. I wouldn't want to reveal much of the story, but in a nutshell, Tovino and his wife Sneha live with their son Kutu. Sneha is pregnant and is due for delivery soon. When the story slowly unravels, we come to know that Sneha is the second wife of Tovino Thomas and the child Kutu is born to his first wife, Shireen. Suraj Vinjaramudu is Shireen's father. We come to know that Shireen died in a hit and run case. How did Shireen actually die? This question haunts us throughout the film. The three main characters have performed beautifully. Suraj is a simpleton with very controlled emotions. He simply lives in the character of Paul. He speaks very less, but his silence speaks a lot. As usual, Suraj has given a wonderful performance. Another performance, like we have seen him in many films like Android Kunjappan or any other film for that matter. But here also he has given a wonderful performance and lives the character of Paul. The scene where Suraj comes to Tovino's house and sits silently on the sofa in the pre-climax, he emotes wonderfully. Even in the scene where he goes to school to see his grandson, we feel very sorry for him. His grandson refuses to come and stay with him, sort of pleads with him, asking him to come and study there and stay with him. But when the grandson leaves and goes away, the look on his face is simply superb the way he emotes. He need not say anything at all. Tovino Thomas, on the other hand, has also performed extraordinarily well. His character is very complex. We keep wondering whether he is good or he is bad. In a car scene where we see him crying, and he has done wonderfully there also. And in the scene where he comes to Suraj's hotel room, his performance is excellent. He makes him lie down on the bed and the phone falls down. For a second, we wonder with abated breath as to what he is going to do. But then he surprises us all. The background score by Ranjan Raj is excellent. Even when there is no dialogue, the tempo of the music speaks to us and tells us what is going on in the character's mind. It is the heartbeat of the film. The film moves slowly but does not lag. The characterizations are human and situations sometimes become characters. What goes on in one's mind, only he knows, and good and bad are only ambiguous words. The director Manu Ashokan has treated this film like an emotional thriller. There are no stunts in the film, but the fight happens in the minds of the characters. The inner struggle they experience, and at the same time how the characters underplay without being loud, is definitely the expertise of the director. Aishwarya Lakshmi also has given a wonderful performance. See, there are some scenes where she comes out beautifully. Actually, in one scene where she is pregnant and her father comes and brings all the clothes and things for the child, for the to-be born child, and then she hugs him and cries and tells him that something is going on and she's not happy and she does not know what to do about it. She feels so helpless and she's done beautifully in that scene. Another scene where in the hospital she's given birth to the child and there Suraj comes and sees her and stands next to her, and then she tells him that I will be leaving to my parents' house very soon. I will not be staying here because there are so many things. I'm not happy here. And that scene she's done so beautifully. Most Malayalam filmmakers have perfected the art of telling a story so effectively to help us, to keep us glued to the screen. Thank you, Malayalam Cinema, for giving another wonderful film. If you like our videos and channel, please like and subscribe.